Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can enable 3 fingers swiping down screenshot in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. If 3 fingers swiping down screenshot is not working in your phone, you have to enable these settings. Here it's not working. See here. I tried to take a screenshot using 3 fingers swiping down along the screen. It's not working. And if you want to enable this 3 fingers swiping down screenshot, go to the notification area and go to the settings icon and click on system settings and click on gestures and motions and turn on the button against swipe down with 3 fingers to take screenshot. Make sure that this button is enabled. Yes, it is enabled now. Now try with 3 fingers. Yes, 3 fingers swiping down is taking screenshot now. I take using different screens. Yes, it's working. So you have to enable 3 fingers swiping down screenshot button through settings, system settings in your phone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.